Wala.
Okay.
Hindi na yung malalaki ang...
Buy more toy, please.
Ha?
Buy more toy.
After we send it to the Philippines, we'll buy more toys.
I already do that.
Yeah, I know. Grandma has to send it to the Philippines first.
Daddy, no, Daddy do that.
Oh, Daddy will send it, your toy, to the
Yeah,
Philippines?
we do that.
Okay.
I do that.
Yeah.
Hey, choose.
Ate Dong si...
Auntie Dawn.
Jilana, tell you're doing YouTube. Send more money. Yeah, padala daw niya yung mga laruan niya sa Philippines. Kaya yun. Diyos ko.
Where's Jay?
Here, Mom. Where
May mumu na naman dyan. May mumu dyan. Is that your... Oh. Let me see. Oh, wow.
do it here?
Oh, sleeping now?
Titi.
Oh.
Titi.
Oh, dirty?
Yeah.
Oo.
Tita. What was? I was. Tati, I would choose.
Ba yan, uy?
Mama, Daddy. Nana.
What you say? Yeah, talk like that, yeah.
Daddy. Nana.
Yeah.
Nana. Wait, my ate.
Okay.
What?
Ano ba yon? Anong sinasabi mo?
Che.
Anong sinasabi mo?
Paano na sabi jelly?
Ilan taon ka na?
Malina niya.
Isa.
Lina niya.
Dalawa.
Julie.
Kumain ka na?
Ano ng toy?
Ginagaya ka niya magsalita.
Ilana, are you copying me?
No. No.
No copying.
Malila.
Alam, may mumu dyan.
Sama na jelly. Namadala. Jelly. Malila.
Shalane, may mumu dyan, oy.
What?
What are you doing now?
Dad.
May mumu dyan, no? Mumu. Manonood na lang eh. Galit pa. Ayan, yan ang ginagawa niya. Diba? Bibihisan niya yung asa na ba yung manika. Yan. Bihisan niya to. Ayan, bibihis. Ayan, binihisan niya. What happened? Ayan. Yeah, she's gonna play out. Ayan. May palda palang ganyan, oh. Oh, ganun pala yun. Marami ka ba dinidelete, Maricar?